Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Saher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are. I'm panting. I hope all of you are doing well. I am doing good too. This is the day after the Eid. Eid is over, and finally, I'm able to sit and make a vlog. What a chaotic Ramadan that was! Like, literally, chaos was my middle name. Life was very hectic, but Ramazan is over. The deadline of making food before 6:30 is not there. Today I don't think I need to cook anything because there's leftover biryani, there's a lot of leftover food, but I have to take care of my own house. Let me show you what we are dealing with. Thankfully, my husband cleans up after himself, so we're still looking at human level, but it's not how my house has always been. So, yes, we have to jump on that. I have washed at least 4 loads of clothes since morning. Two of them already got dried because it's so freaking hot here. You just need to put your clothes for like 20 minutes and they'll be dry because I had a good sleep last night. So I have a little bit of energy juices. So I'm thinking I'll tackle some more stuff in the house before my energy drains off. So let me just show you around, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notifications, share it with your friends and family members, and also please leave me a comment so that I get motivated seeing that. Anyways, let me just show you what I am dealing with right now. With this table looks okayish, but no, still there's a lot of mess. I've just opened my laptop because I have to check my analytics. My channel has taken a hit really badly this Ramadan, and there's a lot of shoes. I've ordered a shoe cabinet. Inshallah, it will be coming in 2 days, so I will show that to you when that comes. So we will declutter all of this finally, and yeah, that is that. Here I have AC removed from under the bed, and uska machine वहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे है, and there's a lot of clothes. As you can see, I've bought 2 new pillows from home center. I went yesterday and picked them up in the evening because we do need new pillows, and I bought some undergarments from jockey and night clothes as well because I do needed that, and more of AC stuff over here. One collaboration that is pending. My bag is out over here randomly lying. Need to clean this one up. Can you see the dust? There is a lot of dust. To clean my makeup organizer, it's just crookedy crook. Need to buy more space for my makeup because that's overflowing actually. Then we come to the hall, and this is how it looks like. Not bad but not great as well. Look, my husband's shoes are still there, so there's a lot of shoes that he owns and need to sort that out. See, my coach bag is lying from my last Bangalore trip. Some of my makeup is lying over here. I'm having an issue with my makeup and skincare not having place, and my husband's having an issue with all his shoes, so that has to be taken care of. Have to dust the entire place and do all of that. My kitchen also needs to be arranged. Can you see there's a lot of wash utensils that have come off, so I have to keep that. All of that has to be done today. Inshallah I will be able to do it, but first let me show you how my skin is acting up. Can you see all the acne flares that I am getting, like small boils? I usually get around this area itself, and that has to be because of the heavy negligence that I have negligence during this Ramadan in the last few months. Not taking care of my skin, not drinking water, had a bit of oily food, sunscreen didn't double cleanse, slept 1 or 2 times with makeup on when I went to iftar dawats. All of that has taken toll, and now have to do damage control. So first let me apply a face mask and then get on with everything and arrange everything. So that's how the thing is. अभी मैंने comb किया, लग ही नहीं रहा है कि मैंने comb करा है, but I did comb my hair. I washed my face. Now let's apply a face mask, and then tackle with things. That's gonna be the plan. I switched on my ring light, and that's because I was finding the video clips that I captured to be really gloomy. For the face mask, I'm using the Domoco's 2% salicylic acid clay face mask. This is something that I use when I am breaking out, or otherwise also I use it like once in 2 weeks kind of a thing. So let me just apply this. I have a full review of this on my channel already, so if you want to watch that, you can search it on my channel, or I will link it in the description box for you guys, so you can definitely do that. But बहुत मुश्किल से I bought my skin under control, and I don't want to go to the dermat again. By the way, this time around I did not make any Eid vlogs, because it was either that or either me cooking and taking care of my family, and I chose to take care of my family, because अगर vlog करते हैं ना तो पूरा concentration vlogging के ऊपर जाता है, cooking के ऊपर थोड़ा सा ध्यान नहीं रहता है, and that can lead to a lot of mistakes. And ईद है यार, बिरयानी बना रही हूँ, कुछ भी थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो गया, सब लोगों का मूड ख़राब हो जाएगा, तो आई डिडंट वांट टू टेक एनी रिस्क विद दैट. एंड एक दिन पहले ही चांद रात के दिन बहुत बड़ा इंसिडेंट हो गया था हमारे घर पे. सो लाइक इट वॉज टोटली chaotic, and I thought it is best I don't, because I was not in a rational mood to make videos and have that concentration on both the vlogging and cooking as well. So I just chose to not do it at all. So if I'm not giving my 100% to vlogging or my cooking, I don't want to do it at all. So I chose that. But alhamdulillah, biryani was really good. My father loved it. I was scared that he will miss mom, and if the biryani is not right, because my mom makes the most amazing biryani on this planet Earth, and I was so scared ki if I F it up, and he will miss mom and he'll be like, okay, we didn't have good Eid biryani. So I put all my energy into making good biryani, and alhamdulillah it turned out really well. And then I had made sheer kurma and gulab jamun, so those also turned out really well. Breakfast was good, so the whole day went alhamdulillah good. My father was looking good, my brother was looking good. I got them jubas, but I didn't click any pictures as such, because it was a very very busy day. So yeah, inshallah sometime else I will, if he wears it again, I will show it to you guys. He was looking smart, and I was like, what? All that is, let me just get this in the face, and let's go ahead and do some declutter. So I thought I will start off with my makeup, because I really don't know where all my stuff is, and I need to organize it. I think this is a good spot. Ignore all these, because I don't know what to do. So I'm just pulling out my drawers like so. All this stuff even in the ground, like सारा कुछ गिर गया है. Take this one out. So we will be using this to declutter anything. That's too heavy, guys. This drawer, and I have a skin tint that shouldn't be there. It's on the fan. This is my current favorite blush. This is from PAC. This is the Dewy Liquid Blush. It's a collaboration with Saher Saba, famous YouTuber if you don't know already. This I like it, not for the shade, but because of the formula and how long lasting it is in this summer, being that it's a liquid blush. I really like it. And it's been a while since I bought a new eyeshadow palette. Kind of feeling the FOMO, but inshallah. Right now I have a lot of commitments that I have to put myself in and not splurge. So I think it will be a while. So I'm just currently arranging my eyeshadow palette. I don't have any eyeshadow palettes that I want to throw, so we will just arrange this. Oh, by the way, Urban Decay is in India right now, so if you guys want to pick something up from them, definitely do so, because they make really good products. This is my first luxury eyeshadow palette that I had got. Can you see? And I still have it. It's probably expired. We don't even make this anymore, but I have it because memories. So yeah, I'm hanging on to it. Okay, now let's speed this process up, because this video will be like 1 hour, and you and me both know that we want to watch it, so it will be waste of effort. So I'll catch up with you guys in later part of the day. I'll keep them in my glitter box. This is an eyeshadow primer that I'll keep separate. Drawer number 1 done. Drawer number 2. Help me. All my foundations and primers in this one.
Decluttering both of these, they are expired AF. 2021 and 2021 both are old. Setting powders. Decluttering this because it's very old.
Not a fan of this, but keeping it only because sometimes you just need something to, zhuzh up your makeup, and I'm using that. The thing is, I don't have good concealers. I need to buy some good concealers, you guys. Throwing this one out because it's empty and there is nothing left in this. Keeping this one because it's good. I've just kept it. I don't know why. Just kept it. Another primer that I haven't used. Another foundation that I haven't used. This drawer looks much better and much organized. You sleep, Papa, you sleep. You always fall, you sleep. Okay, this is how it looks like. There's so much more makeup. I don't know where it is. Some of it is ऊपर में, so to get it from there, but for now this is fine, I think. So ये सारा सरोज का जो ऊपर का डिब्बा है वो फेंकेंगे, एंड ये वाले जो होलोग्राफिक आईलाइनर्स, इसके रिव्यू ऑलरेडी जा चुके हैं. इसको मैं अब डब्बे से निकालूंगी, जगह ले रही है अभी, मेरे को दिमाग ख़राब हो जाएगा. सो आई हैव 1 2 and there's one more somewhere. I hope I don't lose my things. Because बहुत सारी चीज़ें घूम रही हैं, because I'm just going between this house and that house. Gonna be throwing this color bar ka sponge because it didn't work out for me. This is a new lipstick, new blush. This one we have to try it out. So hi. मार्स के लिप लाइनर मैंने लास्ट ईयर लिए थे, अभी तक मैंने उनको ओपन नहीं करे. देयर एज इट इज़ जस्ट इन द पैकेजिंग. नीड टू स्टार्ट यूजिंग दैट. स्कोलिन ऑयल, विंटर चला गया, ऑयल हम यूज़ नहीं कर पाए. सम एक्स्ट्रा बॉटल्स.
These are half of the blushes that I own. My favorite blush ever.
Alright, so this is how we have come so far. This is what it's looking like. It's pretty decent right now. There's some more extra products there that might look like it's cluttered, but it is not. And this is my eyeshadow drawer. It's reduced to so much. And this is my foundation, primers, powders, concealers drawer. That looks a bit heavy, but I have a lot of them that I need to throw out because they're not sadly working. This Mars ka beauty blender, it's too old, too garbage. So washed my face and I'm just drying it. This is gonna be a lengthy vlog. Thought it'll be a small vlog, but nope, it's gonna be a healthy one. Sorry, a lengthy one. I am using Hyalo gel. So I'm going to be using this Sika and Cactus 2% salicylic acid plus witch hazel and skin clearing serum. So I'm hoping with this my flare up is gone. Alright, I will then moisturize my face with ceramides and hyaluronic skin barrier cream, and I'm taking that much. Full video on this is already on my channel. Then I am going to be using this particular sunscreen. This is the light fluid SPF 50 sunscreen from Minimalist. The video on this is already on my channel, so you can go ahead and check that out. I'm done with my morning skincare routine, and right now I will end this particular vlog and start a new one. There will be a part 2 of my declutter and organize video, and there will be some more coming up throughout the next 2 weeks, I suppose, because there is a lot to declutter. Yes, catch me in the part 2 and see you for now. Take care, stay safe. Mwah.